Hi guys, how are you? Well, because I did a couple of Easter spring DIYs, really more Easter, with this material and the Mackenzie child inspired look. I want to make this little bunny to go along with a few of my things. I don't know when I put this video up if the other things will be out yet or not, but you'll see in my home tour how it all goes together. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this out. And where I got this was years ago. We used to have a store. It was a baby store, and it was a private business, and they used to make quilts and baby blankets and everything of that nature. Well, anyway, they used to sell like grab bags that you could go and buy of material and stuff. Well, this was a bunny that they would have put on a blanket, and they would just sell them like scrap bags, you know. So I've had this for years, and I kept thinking, what the heck am I going to do with that? Because I already used some of them on gifts, and so I'm going to use it for my pattern. What I'm going to do is I just pinned it, and I'm just going to cut around. And when I'm done cutting, and I'll cut a backing for it, I'll be back. Okay, so what I've done is I took some scraps that I had and cut two, but this is the other side and that's the other side. So I'm going to make a couple of bunnies, and I'm going to get my sewing machine out because I'm not going to glue these. I want these to stay better. So once I get my sewing machine out, we'll be in business. Okay guys, we aren't usually together at the sewing machine. Alright, let's start. And I'm doing probably about a 1/4 inch seam. And if you notice, I am sewing on the right side. I want the stitching showing. I'm not going to turn this inside out. Okay, we're almost done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut off any threads that are just hanging, and then we're going to stuff her. Look how cute. Okay, I'll get the stuffing and I'll be back. Okay, so now what we're going to do is stuff, and I'm not going to put you through that. I'm sure you know how to stuff. All you're going to do is take your fiber fill, and what I do is I always come up to the ears first, and I don't pack it tight, but just, you know, because you have this little area that where you can put it in, and then I just use either a pencil or a chopstick or something and just move it up. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the stuffing and I'll be back. Okay, we're done. So here is this little cutie, and here he is, and I think I'm going to give him, or I'm going to give both, I'm going to give them little bunny tails, but I got to decide what I want to use. I have a little tie on this one, and then for her, I think I will make maybe kind of a big bow. When I decide what I want to decorate her with, I'll be back. Okay, so let's get these cuties done. All right, I put a piece of fabric around the back of him, and now I'm going to make a bow tie, and I'm going to make the bow tie to match her. Okay. And I'm going to pinch it together, and when I do that, I'm going to bring this piece around. You just want to get these loose threads off. And I'll, just like I say, I'll go back and just clip any loose threads. But there he is. And now let's do her. Oh, I have to put his bunny tail on. What am I thinking? And I'm just using large, well actually jumbo cotton balls because I don't have any white pom-poms, big white pom-poms. And like you saw, I just took a bunch of different ribbons and just put them together and tied them with this satin black ribbon. And I'm just going to put this like on the side of her, right here. Okay, then what I'm going to do, because she has to get really dolled up for Easter, right? I'm going to take this little silk flower that I've had forever. I'm going to put that right in the middle. And then I thought I would take this, and I got this from Hobby Lobby in the wedding section, and they have all different colors, white, pink, blue, and it just has a little bit of bling. And I'm going to put that up by her ear, over here. Okay, and there she is, and now let's put her little tail on her. Okay, so there you have these two little Mackenzie child inspired bunnies that I made out of a pattern that I've had for probably a good 20 years. All right, I'm going to put everything together in the basket, the eggs and these two, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm bringing it down so you can see more. Okay, so I put them in this basket, and I've had this basket forever. Mark had gotten me a Valentine gift, and there was all kinds of stuff in it. And I've had it forever, and so I always keep my baskets because I know I'll decorate with them. And this one worked out perfect, so here she is. And then there's the eggs that we made to go with them, and I just put in some Dollar Tree roses. And there he is with his bow tie. And then some more of the eggs and some more of the roses. So you will see where I'm going to put this shortly. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.